Hi guys, today we've got this easy low bun hairstyle. To start, I've popped the hair into a low ponytail and left some hair out to frame the face. Then I've got a topsy tail tool. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Starting on the right hand side, I'm going to pop the tool through the hair a couple of inches from the elastic band, grab a section of hair from the ponytail and pull it all the way through. Then just repeat the same steps, just moving across the head to the left hand side, so leave a little gap, pop your topsy tail through, take another piece of that ponytail, keeping in mind it needs to be from the right hand side, pass it to the loop and pull it all the way through. And basically we're going to repeat the same steps working around the head, so we're going to go up and over the ponytail and make sure that you finish on the left hand side. All your ends should be pointing the same way, so we're pulling it through from the left to the right. Once you've pulled all that ponytail through, we're just going to flip the ends back over and then we're going to gather them in our hand and just tie them midway down the neck with a clear elastic band, but don't pull the tails all the way through so you create a loop. Now we're just going to take that little loop here and we're going to roll it up to meet the nape of the neck. So just tuck it underneath and pin it on both sides with a few bobby pins. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.